So I took a bike ride today, and this is, I think it's a police academy or a military school. It seemed more like a police academy. I think they were chanting "Death to Ohioans." Maybe not. It's where my Malaysian's not that great. And here they are in their karate gis. I caught that on my way back. Here's a panoramic view from the top of a bridge that I crossed. And here's some up close, I think they're a water buffalo. One of the ones with very large horns was right up against this fence when I came up, and I got a little brave and went pretty close, and then he started coming toward me. So I quickly got on my bike and got away. They looked pretty suspicious of me, or curious.